Hey guys, welcome back to another coding tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use two JavaScript array methods. The first one is the pop method and the second one is the push method. Let's jump straight in. So this video is going to be really short because these functions or array methods are really simple to use. So the pop and push array method in JavaScript basically let you pull items or elements out of an array or push a new item or element into an array. So first of all, what we're going to need is an array of numbers. So let's set up an array. And in order to use the push array method in JavaScript, all we need to do is numbers.push. And then what this push method is going to do is this will push an item onto the end of the array. So if in our push we put 6 and console log our numbers array now, then run our code, you can see that the array now has the 6 on the end, and that's because we pushed that element or item into that array. So the pop function is a little bit different. It actually returns the element from the end of the array into a variable. So we can store the value of the last item or element in the array into a variable. So let's just write const number equals numbers.pop. And then if we console log numbers again here and run this, we can see that we've popped the end of the array. So we've popped the end element or item out of the array. At this point, we could also console log the number because the last element will now be stored in that number variable, and run this. And you can see that it prints out the number 6 because that is the last element in the array after pushing in 6 here on line 9. So this can be really nice to use if you need to push some items or elements into an array, or you want to pop items out of an array as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive all tips, tricks, coding tutorials, and I'm also going to be doing some walkthroughs and reviews of UI frameworks and libraries as well. I'll see you in the next video.